Not confident with installing cabinet lights? You a little confused? Or maybe you just never thought about it? Well, I'm going to show you just how simple the process really is. And the best part is it's all controlled by just one switch. So here's all we need to get started. Your driver, stick LED, tape LED, KB12 LED, and their coordinating power cords, and your basic tools, a drill, power screwdriver, tape measure, and a pencil. So, with just these few products, you can have your kitchen design go from drab to dynamic, and what's so great is that it can all be done in just one afternoon. So why is cabinet lighting so important? It's going to add value to your customer because the kitchen is always a gathering place. It'll help you capitalize on those extra profits. You can earn between $1,500 and $2,000 per job. It's going to help you gain the market share, and let's face it, the end result is just so much more appealing. So you have a lot of options when it comes to cabinet lighting, but for this installation, I'm going to use Hera's stick LED, the KB12 LED, and the tape LED. Because it's ease of installation, they have excellent color consistency, they're low voltage, which means it produces virtually no heat, they last up to 50,000 hours, which means you won't have to change a light bulb for like 50 years, and they consume very little energy. They're almost 10 times more efficient than halogen. And it is the highest quality LED. Let's face it, you don't want to put your name and your reputation behind a product that's inferior. I can go on and on about the benefits of Hera LEDs, but let's get on the fun stuff. So before you begin, make sure you read your manufacturer's instructions thoroughly. And then all you need to do is just lay your lights out on the counter so you can determine your spacing and your layout. This will help make everything a lot quicker when it comes to your actual installation. So once you have all your locations marked, go ahead and screw your mounting clips in place. Make sure you have everything clean and taken out of your cabinet so you can get a great angle shot for your drill. So for this application, we're going to install the driver on the top of the cabinet so that it's not visible. And then all we need to do is drill holes for the wires. So we're going to drill one hole on the bottom, and then we're going to drill one hole on the top. So once your holes are all drilled, now we're just going to pull the wire through to reach up to the driver in the top. Now plug your lights into the power cord, and then just snap your lights in place. And now for the installation of the LED spotlights in the upper cabinets, as I mentioned earlier, we're going to use the KB12 LED spotlight, and then just check your instructions and make sure you got the right size drill bit. And your next step is to mark your locations and then drill your hole. And it's as simple as that, folks. Now all we need to do is put the wires up there and then just snap your light in place. Just like that. Looks like all we have left to do now is to just connect the wires from your lights into the terminal block for the driver. And now for the hard part, we need to plug it into the outlet. For some added ambiance, we're going to go ahead and put some tape LED under the toe kick of the cabinets. And these are great because you can actually cut these into 6-inch increments. For this, all you need to do is peel off the backing and then just place it exactly where you need it. Just like that. And flip the switch. So there you have it. Cabinet lighting isn't so hard after all, is it? And just think, if I can do it, I'm sure you can do it too. And the best part is that all this was done aftermarket. If all of this lighting were to be installed at the cabinet manufacturing plant, this would be even easier. All you would basically need to do is just hang the cabinets on the wall and plug it in. It's as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed our video, and feel free to visit us at our website at www.heralighting.com.